What's happening, people? Welcome back to the Sound Design channel. My name is La, and today we're going to make a really cool atmospheric cinematic pad effect thing. There's many names for this. I'm not really sure which one to call it exactly. Let's have a little listen to it so you see which one I mean. Yeah, it just has this really eerie feel to it. It kind of reminds me of the film Dune. Just I feel like it could be in there somewhere. But let's make this from scratch, and we'll see how it's working. So we'll just drag the MIDI down. The MIDI is just an F note, and then it goes up to a G just halfway through. So you're having that contrast of low and high. So we'll open up DIVA, and we'll make this a bit bigger. So the sound is taken from a preset pack through PML, and it's the preset called Clouds in the Circle Volume 2. So it's the melodic techno pack, and then the sound matches up with that within DIVA. So if we go to here, Circle Volume 2, and it's this one here, Clouds. Oh, we'll just solo this. So if you guys don't want to watch the rest of the tutorial, you just want to see how it's made, just have a look here, or you can grab the sound in the link down below. But we're going to make it from scratch, so let's go to templates, and we go to Digi, and then we go here. We just want this module here, so we can use like the multi-saws, though to be fair, it will sound similar in the other modules as well. It's not that important that you use the Digi. One thing we need to do is just change this to a high-pass filter, and we want to change this to multi-mode. And we can change these to digital, so it's the same as the other one. And so all we want to do first is we look at these two sawtooths here, which we're using. We have the mix in the middle, so we're using both of them. And with this one, we have this tuned up to the octave in the middle. And then we have this tuned higher, so it's going to be on the octave above. So we have one saw playing kind of low, and then one saw playing a bit higher up. And then we add some detune to this. So we're going to add the fifth, and then we add the fifth below on this one. Yeah, I think it's in 27 if I remember correctly. Yeah, and then we can add a bit of multi-saw, and then some ring. And let's have a listen. We'll just bring this down. So if I take off this ring, you're going to hear that it kind of takes away a bit of the dirt. It's a bit loud. I'll just turn it down a bit. But you hear that it's kind of like making it sound very gritty and dirty. And then we want to add a little bit of this cross mod as well, which is going to add a bit more of that filthiness. It's FM filter modulation, essentially, from oscillator 1 to oscillator 2. I'll exaggerate it so you can really hear it. So too much is not nice, but a little bit, you can add a bit of character. Alright, cool. We can put it on high quality, though doesn't make a huge difference. But one thing we need to do is just get rid of a bit of the low information. We don't actually really want this kind of sub information. Around there is all good. And then the next thing we need to do is shape the envelope. So we need to shape envelope 1, which is what we're hearing right now. We also do want to bring the cutoff quite low down, so it builds up and opens the cutoff filter eventually with envelope 2, which is what we're going to do in a second. So the other thing we need to do here is just change the filter so it's a bit weaker. So it's a lighter filter. It's on 12 dBs per octave. This is on 24, so it's going to allow more of the sound to come in. And so yeah, with this amp envelope here, or envelope 1, we just want the sound to come in gradually. So we're going to have a slow attack and put the sustain around here, a bit of release. So you can hear that it kind of gradually builds up. We do have the quantize and curve on the original, though it doesn't make much of an auditable difference. It's a hard word to say. Yeah, it's not making much difference, but we just want to have it the same as the original. And then this is where we're going to add in more of the filter so we can hear it really opening up. So with this, we have the decay really high, the sustain here. So straight away, the filter is going to open up, and it's going to take a very long time to gradually come down with the filter. So let's open this up. very cool. But now we need this, the atmosphere. Right now it's just like quite a dry sound. We can have some delay, which is set up already here, and then we go to reverb and put that on. The delay settings are different with the different templates you use. So with this one, we have quite a high amount of side volume, which we can just bring down a little bit. It's going to make it a little bit too wide. And then we can just EQ out a little bit more of the other, or allow more of the lows to come in, and just EQ out a bit more of the brightness. Increase the feedback a little bit, and then we're good to go with the delay. And you can kind of go a bit crazy with the reverb as you want it to be quite an atmospheric thing. So maybe we decrease the dry, put the wet a little bit higher. Very nice. So this is how the sound is as you grab the preset. And I just want to show you if you wanted to go a little bit further.
Hi, this video is sponsored by us. If you like these tutorials and want to support the channel, check out our website packed with online courses and professional sample packs. Also check our ready-to-use and club-tested DIVA presets. You can browse by the genre and style you're looking for, or get the incredible deal with the full DIVA preset bundle. Thank you for listening, and now let's get back to your tutorial.
And add some further modulation. And this is what I would do. So I'd add maybe like an LFO here to the filter, and then we can make it so that the LFO kind of comes in on this like really quick pattern with the saw down, put it on sync, where we have like a bit of a delay. So the initial like build up comes in, and then as the sound opens up, we have this kind of movement. And with the movement, we want it to be pretty quick here. So we're on 16s. Maybe more of a delay. Right, that could be cool, but then you can go even further, and maybe we modulate the rate with envelope 2. So, or maybe envelope 1 might be cool. So as it's building up gradually, it's going to increase in speed. So we go like this. Or you can start slow. Really cool. And you can put polarity on if you want to, so it only goes in one direction. Currently it's LFOing negatively and positively, so it's going like this way and that way. Well, not on the LFO, but on the cutoff filter, so it'll be going like this. Right now with polarity on, it's just constantly going up. And if you didn't want it to be so evident and so heavy, you can just reduce the depth mod a little bit. So it's just like a subtle effect that you're adding there. So yeah, that's pretty much the sound. As you can see, you can go quite far with it and could do many different things. You could change the toning of it. You could put some like white noise instead. In fact, let's see what that sounds like just for fun. Let's go white noise. Very cool, very eerie. Oh my god. That's super creepy. We can put something like a bit more tonal. Wow, that white noise, it sounds so scary. We'll put some saw on. Yeah, so you can have a lot of fun with these different oscillators. Once you've got like the envelope set up, so you have this feeling of it gradually building up more and more, that's going to add that nice tension to it rather than it just coming in straight away. Cool, so that is pretty much it. I hope this was helpful and inspiring in some kind of way. If it was, let us know in the comments. Also, like the video. It helps to spread the video. And subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you very much, guys. I'll catch you in the next video.
Hi, this video is sponsored by us. If you like these tutorials and want to support the channel, check out our website packed with online courses and professional sample packs. Also check our ready-to-use and club-tested DIVA presets. You can browse by the genre and style you're looking for, or get the incredible deal with the full DIVA preset bundle. Thank you for listening, and now let's get back to your tutorial.